So this is a quick run through of using Worship Extreme to overlay lyrics onto a worship video. So I've already got the song loaded and split into slides with just bottom lower third lyrics. For the background, we want the green screen. This is a green image, 1280 by 720. And in the setup for this, the template, you probably don't want a shadow and want a outline setup. The advantage of having an outline is then if you overlay this onto a white or a black background, either way it works well and is visible. And I've got that displaying to my second display. The second display is set to be 1280 720 because that's the video resolution we're targeting. I don't know where display settings have gone. Let's try this one. So make sure it's set to 720p there. Just an aside, that's not an actual monitor that I can see, it's just one of these, which is something you can plug into a computer and it thinks that it has an external display connected without having to have cables trailing around, because I'm just doing this on my lap. Then in OBS we want to create a new scene, add a media source, and a display capture. The external display. Disable show cursor just in case. And of course that has everything. It's completely overlaying the entire video. But if you right click and go to filters, and then add a chroma key, you can select other colors, but green is what we've got. You can tweak these settings, but the default settings work pretty well. And there you can see the lyrics overlaying. The only other thing I would do is, by default, OBS, when it's playing back a media source, has an audio capture from an input device to avoid feedback. If it's an input capture, you can't hear it, it won't output it to your speakers. So if you click on this settings icon, advanced audio properties, for each audio source you can control whether monitoring is off, monitor only, which means it won't go to the recording, or monitor and output. So now I can hear that. Of course it's about halfway through, so what I'll do is take those off, switch to the blank slide, start recording, start the lyrics overlay, and then at the right point in the song I would go through the different slides and then stop recording. I'm going to go through it properly, but I'll do that without Zoom running just because that's more CPU to use.